Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to download a content in a form of a PDF. So let's say this is a simple design. All I wanted to do is just to show you how a PDF is downloaded from our app in FlutterFlow. So we have these two fields, subject and message. Let's say leave application. Hello, ma'am. I want to say that I need 2 days leaves. Thank you. And the moment we click on this button, our PDF would be downloaded, and there is no backend part in this. So we will not see Firebase or Firestore role in this video. So I'll show you the design part and the coding part and some things that I have learned while making this small feature. Let's click on this here. So this is how the file will be downloaded from our app. So to those viewers, if you are looking for this action, please stay. And if this is not what you're looking for, then I would suggest please keep looking for other people video on YouTube. Thank you. Okay, let's start. First of all, I would say, because we will be using custom code to make this feature work and for custom functions here. Let me show you the function first here. So I got this code through Copilot, Microsoft Copilot here, this one. And this is a custom code, so it will be needing special libraries. The following information is for those who actually come from the non-tech background like myself. So this library, like this printing library and PDF library, these two names that you are seeing here. These are called dependencies or library, or imagine a library like a book, a full wide thick book, and inside that book we see chapters and text written. So this is the name of the book. So we are telling to FlutterFlow PubSec, or the book name here to the FlutterFlow, like I'll be needing this content from this book. So I'm telling this message to the FlutterFlow, and for that, let's go to PubSec. Let me show you. PubSec FlutterFlow. Here. You may go to pub.dev, this link. Everything I'll mention in the description. And what exactly happened while working on this feature is, let me show you. First, let me, because I was searching like this, printing, I needed printing library. So I found this, its popularity is also good. So printing, so you can copy this thing, printing 5.13.2 version. But if you see here, we have 5.9.3. So I tried with 5.13.1, 2, 10, and I kept getting errors. So I kept checking with Copilot, and then I went with this version, and this is working. So I actually changed the version here, it from 5.13.2 to 5.9.3 like this. And then you can search for PDF here. I went with the first one again. This is the version, the latest, 3.11.1, but we have 3.8.4, which is working fine. So this is what this is something that you may want to take to be careful about. So these are the two versions, and these are the arguments. So subject and message. This is what we are passing to this function as a parameter. So I'll send subject, I'll send the whole message when I click on the download letter. So these two content will go as a parameter, and this is the code. So those who want to see and learn how this code works, I would love to share here, because as much as I learned, I'm sharing. So so stay. Otherwise, you can skip forward this video. Those who know the code. Okay, so these are the library names that we need in order to print. If you see this document, we get this print feature also. The user can print this document as well as PDF. Yes, this is a PDF format. This is why we need these libraries, PDF as well as printing. Okay, now this is the name of our function, generate PDF, and this goes here also. And we are writing this function inside custom actions, not custom functions. These two are different, but I do not have much idea, so I can't comment on this right now. I have little idea, but I may go wrong. So let me not say anything. But these two are different, and we can see it logically also for now. Like these two have different spaces on this page. Okay. Now, when the user would click on this button, this function will be called on button click. Okay. And this document, this is inside this library, printing and PDF library. This is a function, and this function has one of these sub functions in it, like add page. So this will add a page on the system of users, and inside that page, we will have some context. Okay. Those contexts are this subject that is coming from here and message, the other parameter. So this function is taking these two things and putting it here and adding the styling. These are the following stylings and printing it on the screen. Okay. Now let's see the implementation part here on the button on which you want to print this uh, uh, the content. It's here. Action, open. Now here you may see it's directly, I went to custom actions. Here you will see the name of our custom action function, because this is what we need to add in the beginning. So you paste your code directly, first, as soon as you are done with the designing. So this will show up only after you have added the custom action. So once this is clicked, this will show up automatically. The spaces, these two spaces would show up, one for space, second for message. So you will see unset here. So you will need to pass widgets states. So first is a subject, pass this here, and inside message, you may pass message like this. And that is all. It would work. And let me take a few seconds to think if I'm not missing, if I learned something and I am not forgetting anything to share. So let me pause this video quickly and think. All right, nothing much. I could not think anything extra. It's just keep testing with the code. If you need to modify anything, please take help from Copilot or ChatGPT. Enter this code and you can keep asking your question, how do I add code for the third field, fourth field, pictures upload, like that. So you may go ahead and do your custom stylings with this. I hope it helps someone, and thanks for watching.